What's up, good people? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and guys, I'm happy to be back again with another episode. All right, guys, thank you so much for your love and your support. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on every episode and video that we post. All right, guys, so I just want to share with you a trade that I took last week. Last week I think this was the only trade that I took, and it was a massive win. It was a proper and an amazing 5% that I got from Euro GBP. So you can see that from the daily time frame. So we had an impulse move correction. Of course, this was a continuation, expecting it to come to this level. Then before maybe we see some sort of a reversal. So on the 4 hours time frame, so you can see that on the 4 hour time frame we had this structure. So we had an impulse move. This was a bigger correction. Then we had this continuation. So what I told myself is, if this impulse move, if I measure this impulse move from here all the way to this level, then you come and put it there, you can see. So I was expecting it to actually play out up to this level over here. So on the 1 hour time frame, I called this move somewhere around here. So what happened is that there was this market had given me a double top over here, and it was somewhere around here. So I was waiting for it to come to this level, to come and give us 1, 2, and 3 touches. After the third touch, I knew I was looking for a sell to the downside. And what happened massively, what happened is, you can see that let me lock this. You can see that we had our first or second touch, and then on the third touch you see that once I saw this rejection, I just entered. I never wasted time. I entered here. My stop loss was just 10 pips, all right, and my target was this low over here. So it was a clean 5.29%, and you can see what happened. The market went down. Of course, there was an opportunity to re-enter, to scale in here, but of course I wasn't able to scale in. I was busy doing some other meetings and everything, so I was a bit held up. I was not able to enter, but you can see there was that. The market played out, and what I did, because I knew I'm gonna be away and I was not able to monitor, I will not be able to monitor this. What I did is that I placed my take profit on this level 850.43, and you can see what happened. The market just came down, immediately hit. Of course, it went a bit it played out a bit below this level. Then it actually just came massively back. You can see that it actually played out around 6.38, yeah, but my take profit was here, so I caught this 5%, and you can see that after there the market just started coming up. So this was a clear 1, 2, 3. You can see this was a clear 1, 2, 3 with some rejection over here. Then you can see it was some sort of like a structure over here, so an impulse move, a correction, and also a continuation. And also I think if we measure this, let's see if it's the same. Maybe we can measure from here. Let's see which one is the same. So this is an impulse move there, and we put it somewhere around there. Yeah, you can see that even if we measure this impulse move, or even what you can do, if we measure this from here, we call this our impulse move to this level up to there. So after our correction, we were expecting this market to play out, and you can see, look at that. Have you seen? It came exactly to that level before it went back. Of course, I took this on one of the accounts, on one of the Profam accounts that I'm currently on. So I'll share with you guys. I'll reveal to you guys once I complete. But I was able to get 5%. So I'm up with 5%. I'm just about to complete that phase. Then also, guys, in due time, I'm gonna share that. All right, so that was all. That was that. And you can see there was a trade here. I was monitoring. It actually played only 1%. Then it went back. But you can see that this week I have some few trades that I'm looking at. I'm looking at this. This is odd NSD. We're on a higher level over there, and we've broken out and did a retest. So there's a possibility of this thing playing out to this level. That's a possible 4.78. You can check out that. Then also there is Euro AUD. I think Euro AUD, yeah. So what I was looking at, Euro AUD is actually almost the same thing you saw over there. So we have a bigger structure. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that we are coming from a very from the daily time frame. We're on a higher level. We have this market correcting. Then now we are back into the structure. We have this some sort of like a flag over here. So now on the 1-hour time frame, what I want to do is I was waiting for this market to come to this level over here. Maybe I'll be interested once this market come to this level over here. So what you can see is that if I place this here, you can see that there's a gap created here, there's another one here. So this market could come and fill this before now it commits itself. So this is a trade I'm actually looking out. Okay, then also there is Euro NSD. All right, so Euro NSD, the same thing. You can see we are back. So we want to see if we can actually be able to capture some sales over here. You can see this level over here. All right, we want to see if this market can actually, come and fill this level before we start moving to the downside. All right, and of course there is GBP card just on my watch list. These are just trades I'm looking at. So yeah, you can see we've begun to form a structure. So I want to see at least a clear structure before I'm now interested in entering the trade. So, and also we have GBP CHF. Oh, it's already even gone. You can see I was actually looking for that. So at this level, some sort of like rejection, because you can see we are actually on a corrective phase. So what you can do is that we can wait for maybe a 1-hour flag or 15-minute flag for us to enter and go with it to the downside. Let's look at GBP JPY. It's the same thing. So I was looking for this. It's either it comes down, gives me a structure and goes back, or it breaks out, gives me a flag, then it goes to the upside. So I'm just watching them to see. So that was GBP JPY. Then GBP NSD, the same thing. You can see what I'm waiting for is for this market to come all the way to this level, then see if from here now we can be able to get this could be a clean 11%. Then we have NSD USD. Wow, okay, yeah. So I was watching out this, but you can see that it never played out. This was some sort of like a squeeze over here, then it was forming some sort of like a flag. I was wanting to see if it's gonna commit to the upside, but you can see it's not. So what I'm gonna do is gonna wait for it to see if it's come this level, give us structure, and then now we can go back with it. All right, then we have USD card. So yeah, so USD card, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, yeah, so from the daily time frame, actually we want to see if we can be able to, maybe this market we're gonna come all the way to this level, because it's actually the same thing with the DXY. Perhaps gonna come complete this before we see a massive sell to the downside, because you can see this has been a bit quite corrective. They're all the same. USD CHF, you can see it was a very clean descending structure over there. All right, so you can see that is what is happening. What can actually happen is this market could come all the way to this level. All right, let's take this one out. The possibility, because you can see this is some sort of like a scoop, can come all the way to this level before it commits itself to the downside, which is actually the same case with, you can see this is USD JPY as well. Wow, so you see I was actually expecting it to come down, but you can see it has broken out massively to the upside. But you can see that it's been a clear a structure over there, then boom, a continuation. So impulse move, correction, continuation. So we just want to watch and see how this market behave. But this is a very massive buy to the upside. And of course for those ones we're gonna use the dollar index. You can see And what I believe is, if I look at the daily time frame, the dollar index has the potential of actually playing out to either, you can see that we are actually on a descending structure. We are coming from the descending structure, so the dollar index could play up to here before it falls, or it could just come all the way to this level, complete the 90% rule maybe before we see a massive sell-off to the downside. So we just want to observe, guys. We've just started the week. We want to observe. I wanted to show you that trade on Euro GBP, so, and also some of the trades I'm actually looking out for. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. If is anything at all you want me to teach on, just leave a comment on the comment section below and I'll be happy to read from you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.